I've been exploring Home Depot app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of Home Depot app. First, let's talk about what the Home Depot app actually offers. The idea here is pretty straightforward. It puts the full Home Depot shopping experience on your phone, so you can browse over 1 million products, check prices, and see what's in stock at your local store before you even head out. It also goes a step further with handy tools like image search, where you snap a photo of a product or part and the app tries to identify it for you and show you matching items. You get a built-in product locator as well, which points you to the exact aisle and bay inside the store, making in-store trips faster and a lot less frustrating. Now, in terms of how it actually feels to use, the app is generally smooth and polished, and that shows in its very high rating, with millions of reviews backing it up. Features like barcode scanning, saved lists, real-time order tracking, and easy reordering make it useful whether you're a casual dyer or managing bigger projects. You can also see ratings and reviews instantly, compare similar items, and spot online specials or daily special buys that might not be highlighted on the shelf. Of course, it's not perfect. The app is fairly large in size and can feel heavy on older devices, and it collects a lot of user data for tracking and personalization, which some people will not love from a privacy standpoint. Certain parts, like rentals, are still a bit clunky and don't always behave like a normal shopping cart flow. Overall, if you shop at Home Depot even a few times a year, this is a genuinely useful companion that can save you time and make your trips more efficient. But you should go in knowing you're trading some privacy and storage space for that convenience. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.